Hello and welcome to another Elden Ring tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to beat Adan, the Thief of Fire. He's in one of these little locations. The Evergaol, I don't think I pronounced it correctly, but this is the Malefactor's Evergaol. And this person, he's not too terribly difficult if you are a little bit higher level. But here's a location on the map where he's located. And then you just go inside there and enter the Evergaol. And then what I'm going to do first here is I am going to just buff up a little bit and take my Wondrous Physic Flask. And then immediately I'm just going to run right over there, and right when he appears, I'm going to get a hit on him right away. Pretty vulnerable. I can get a couple hits on him. And then I'm going to just charge after him, and then he's going to back away, and then I'm going to back away from him a little bit, run away, and then I'm going to go in quick with some weapon art from my Bloodhound finesse weapon, and then just go back in there and kind of do that finesse or the weapon art, and then bounce right back, and he's pretty easy to kill. And so there you go. That's how you beat Adan, Thief of Fire. Hope that helps if you're having trouble with them.